If you like convenient location, there is no better place than living in the penthouse unit I have for you today. With a walk score of 91, this building is considered to be a walker's paradise, and you can do daily errands without needing a car. Surround yourself by Central Library, Central Park, tennis courts, and a pitch and putt golf course. Metrotown is also a central major hub bus loop and exchange, connecting to Vancouver Downtown in 15 minutes and direct buses to UBC and SFU. And the best of all, live beside the biggest shopping center in the province, Metropolis. This center has everything. With over 450 stores and up to 1.7 million leasable square foot in space, living at Crystal Residence is downtown Burnaby. This almost 1,500 square foot penthouse unit consists of 3 bedrooms and plus a large den, and the owner has spent over $100,000 in renovations. Some of the renovated items are new kitchen, cabinets, countertop, flooring, appliances, bathrooms, carpets, and window coverings, closet cabinets, plus a whole lot more. The apartment unit also contains 2 large master ensuite bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It has an incredible view of Northern Mountains, night view of Brentwood Center, views of North Vancouver, water views of Deer Lake, and even views of downtown Vancouver. This is a well-kept building with a good contingency funds, and with very low maintenance fees. What more can you ask for? My name is Eric Ho, and I thank you for your time. Please call our team to arrange for a private tour today.